Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Canva makes branding images as simple as a drag and drop. Whether you choose to use your logo, social media handles, or a hashtag, what was once a time-consuming task will only take a few minutes. Canva's transparency tool also means that branding your images can look sleek and non-invasive to the viewer.
Let's help you make your mark.
Canva is a free graphic design platform that's great for making invitations, business cards, Instagram posts, and more. A drag-and-drop interface makes customizing thousands of templates simple and easy. Canva's wide array of features allow you to edit photos without extensive photo editing knowledge or experience.
Take our lead.
If you wish to get an easy way to find out which graphic design software product is better, our unique algorithm gives Canva a score of 9.4 and Piktochart a score of 9.0 for total quality and performance. In addition, Canva is rated at 99%, while Piktochart is rated 99% for their user satisfaction level.
Let's help you make your mark.
Let's get started. Choose the right dimensions for your design. To begin, choose your design type from the Canva homepage. Choose a background. The background for your design could be a color, or an image. Add your elements. Your design might include text, icons, photos or illustrations. Choose the right fonts.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.